This is the practice quiz on properties, expressions, and equations. Match the following examples with the property they represent. Number 1, 7 plus 5 equals 5 plus 7. The numbers have changed position in the addition expressions, so this is E, the commutative property of addition. Number 2, 9 times 0 equals 0. Anything times 0 equals 0, which is the multiplicative property of 0, B. 3. 9 times 2 times 8 with 9 times 2 in parentheses equals 9 times 2 times 8 with 2 times 8 in parentheses. The parentheses have changed positions, so this is the associative property of multiplication, D. Number 4, 6 times parentheses 5n minus 1 equals 30n minus 6. 6 is being multiplied by all the terms in parentheses, so this is called the distributive property. Number 5, 10 times 1 equals 10. Anything times 1 equals 10. 10 has not changed its identity, so the answer is C, the identity property of multiplication. Number 6, in the expression 4m minus 3n plus 7, negative 3 is a coefficient. That's a number that is multiplied by and right next to a variable. 7, in the expression 5x plus 7, 7 is that would be a constant. It's a number that is not next to a variable, not multiplied by a variable. 8, an operation that undoes another operation is called an inverse operation. Number 9, the inverse operation of division is A, multiplication. Simplify the following expressions by combining like terms. 3a and 7a are like terms because they both have an a, so they combine to be 10a, and 5b plus b, which is really 1b, combine to be 6b. Number 12, 8m minus 6m gives us 2m, and 4n is by itself, so we bring it down, as well as minus 2. Explain in a complete sentence how you combine like terms. You combine like terms by adding or subtracting terms with the same variable or no variable. Simplify the following expressions by distributing and combining like terms. We first distribute the 8 to both terms in parentheses to get 48b minus 56 minus 4b. We can combine the 48b and the negative 4b or minus 4b to get 44b minus 56. 14. First we distribute to get 14k plus 35 plus 1. We combine the 35 and the 1 to get 14k plus 36. Number 15. Explain in a complete sentence how you use the distributive property to simplify an expression. You use the distributive property to multiply all terms in parentheses before you combine like terms. Simplify the following expressions, then evaluate with the given value of the variable. 8p plus or minus 4p gives us 4p. 10q plus 3q gives us 13q. When we substitute in, we have 4 times 2 plus 13 times 1, which gives us 8 plus 13, which gives us 21. 17. 3w plus, we distribute the 6, 6w plus 30. We combine the 3w and the 6w to get 9w plus 30. Substituting in the 3, we have 9 times 3 plus 30, which is 27 plus 30, which equals 57. Solve the following equations, show all steps and checks. For 18, we have 4x equals 28. 4 is being multiplied by x, so we're going to divide both sides by 4 to get x equals 7. In the check problem, we write the equation again, and we substitute in 7 for x. We work downwards and we get 28 equals 28, check. For number 19, we have b minus 8 equals negative 11. We add 8 to both sides, which is the inverse of subtracting 8. We get b equals negative 3. Writing the equation again, I substitute negative 3 for b. With the leave change, we get negative 11 equals negative 11, check. Thank you.